That sounds amazing. So I got a pretty exciting matchup coming up right now. A very classic rivalry of Ford versus Chevy. So now this is a 2003 Mustang Cobra, if you guys already see on the channel. He's making quite a lot of appearances now recently. He's on an upgraded 2.3 VMP Supercharger with an upgraded throttle body, intake, upper pulley, long tube headers with a 3-inch dump. And he's on a 93 tune. And he's making low 600s to the wheels. These cars are rear-wheel drive. And he's running on 315 Mickey Thompson ET Street R's. Now these cars only came with 6-speed manuals, and he's running on a Pro 5.0 short shifter. And they weigh around 3,600 pounds. And the car he's going to be running up against is a 2008 C6 Corvette. Now this is a LS3. Now he is equipped with the Paxton Novi 1500 Supercharger with upgraded intake, long tube headers, straight pipes, and upgraded fuel pumps. And he's on a custom 93 tune. Now the owner told me he's making around mid 500s to the wheels. Now these cars are very light. They weigh a little over 3,200 pounds. They are rear-wheel drive as well. And he's running on 305 Nitto NT05Rs. Now what's great about this race is that he is also a manual transmission. So it's actually a fair race with the Cobra. So I think this will be a pretty exciting race. So both cars will be taking one passenger. So let's see how it goes. All right, guys, this is it. Corvette versus Mustang. First row we're gonna do is from 50. Woo. And we're gonna be in second gear. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, wow. Man, these two sound amazing. Guys, back for more. Round 2, we're gonna do it from 65 miles an hour. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Cars sound amazing. Good race. All right, guys, we're finished here. I really hope you guys like this one, because I know I did. Until next time, guys. Later.